This will be a pretty short video and it has only one purpose, and that is showing you how you can access Facebook Audience Insights. I also created a brand new Facebook account because I didn't want to confuse you with an account with thousands of campaigns and stuff that would just confuse you. So I wanted to keep things simple. In the case you didn't advertise on Facebook yet, this is how things will look like. Okay, so log in into your Facebook ads account, then click on this little arrow over here. Can you see that? Just click here. Then you want to select Manage Ads from the drop down. Then you will get automatically redirected to your Facebook Ads Manager. That's a place where you typically set up ads. And then you want to click on Tools here. Can you see that? Just click here and select Audience Insights from the dropdown. And well, that's the way to get started with Facebook Audience Insights.